Ever snapped an amazing photo only to realize it's clouded by haze or fog? Trust me, you're not alone. It happens to all photographers, and it can be frustrating to see those atmospheric conditions dulling your image. But good news, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove haze or fog in Photoshop and bring back clarity and vibrant color in your photos. By the end, you'll have a powerful workflow you can use every time haze strikes. Let's jump right into it. First, fire up Photoshop. Open the program and let it load up. This is your digital workshop, and Photoshop has all the tools you'll need for this fix. Once it's running, go ahead and open the photo you want to restore, the one that's lost its punch thanks to haze or fog. You'll usually notice these low-contrast, washed-out areas most in outdoor shots, especially those taken early in the morning or near water. With your photo open, head to Adjustments. This is where the magic happens. Find and select the Levels adjustment. Now, Levels works a bit like an old-school dimmer switch for your photo's lighting. You'll see a graph with 3 sliders underneath. Those are your shadow, midtone, and highlight controls. Focus on the left slider, the shadow slider. What you want to do is drag it slowly to the right. By doing this, you're deepening the shadows, which starts cutting through that milky haze and brings out more structure and detail in your image. Move it gradually and watch the photo change in real time, but don't overdo it. Go too far, and your image can start looking unnaturally harsh or lose subtle details. Once the shadows look richer, we're ready for the next layer of fine-tuning: curves. Add a curves adjustment layer. You'll see a sloped line on a graph. This represents how light and dark areas of the image interact. To punch through the haze even more, click and drag the slope line slightly downward. This adjustment lowers the midtones and deepens contrast just where we want it. Imagine it like pulling a faded curtain aside to let the real view show through. You might need to try a couple of small movements, pausing to check your image each time. If the fog starts to recede and the landscape looks more defined, you're on the right track. For that final professional touch, we're going to add a color lookup adjustment layer. This step really makes the image pop and harmonizes the colors. In the color lookup properties, go to the 3D LUT file dropdown and select the option titled 3-strip look. What this does is emulate the color palette from classic Technicolor movies. It gives your photo a beautiful cinematic vibrancy and depth. This can help correct any odd color shifts caused by the haze, balancing out skin tones, greens in foliage, and blues in the sky. And that's it. You've just walked through a restoration process used by professional retouchers and artists. If your image still needs a bit more tweaking, feel free to go back and slightly adjust the sliders. You can always experiment until you get just the look you want. Don't worry if it takes a few goes. Practice makes perfect, and every photo is a little bit different. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you run into any trouble or have questions, just drop a comment below. I love seeing what you're working on and helping out. And if you want more Photoshop tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.